Today, we learn during these lockdown days how to use creativity to make movie poster from simple objects. In this case, we use simple ball to make poster or banner in Photoshop. It's so simple to make movie poster. So without any further delaying, let's start the video. During this lockdown, I was playing with my baby using this ball. I just simply click a picture of ball. Now I make a poster from this ball. I remove the background of this image. You can watch my previous video to learn how I remove background of image by using pen tool. Link of video is mentioned in description. Now open a new document of size 1200 pixel by 1800 pixel. Now I drag an image of ball into the new document. Place this ball as per row 3rd. Select crop tool and click on image. There are 4 junctions of lines. You can place the ball at any junction for the best result. I place the ball at upper right junction. Now I add one image of colored sky in the Photoshop. You can download these images from the link in the description. Then I rotate the sky at 90 degrees. Press and hold shift to rotate it at perfect 90 degrees. Adjust the size of sky. Now I move the sky layer below the main image. I adjust sky little more. You can adjust the sky as per your creativity. Hey, look here. Here's one line on the screen. Actually, this line is the edge of our main image. So, to remove this line, click on the mask of main image. Then select brush tool and ensure the foreground color must be black. Then just paint on the line and the line will disappear magically. Now, I'll change the color of ball. I want to give it look of planet. To change color, click on this small icon and select the solid color. Here I choose a yellow color. You can choose any other color as per your creativity. But if change the color of whole poster, I want to limit this color to ball only. For that, create a clipping mask for this layer. To make clipping mask, just press and hold Alt or Option key and click on the line between the 2 layers. It's so simple. Now, I'll drag one image of marble material and place it above the ball. Similarly, create a clipping mask for this marble material and change its layer mode. Choose any mode which you like. I am just trying different modes. I think here multiply is best one. So I choose multiply. But the color of main image and the sky did not match. So first I try to match the color of main image with the background color. So click on the sky layer. Now press Ctrl or Command plus U. A new dialog box will appear on the screen. Keep in mind to check the box on colorize. I move the hue sliders little bit. I choose this color. You can choose any other color. Now click on this icon and select color lookup. These LUT packs are free available in CC version of Photoshop. Try different lookups. Choose that lookup which gives best results on your image. Here I choose Edgy Amber after trying different lookups. You can choose anyone. Then again, I make some more changes in hue and saturation of sky. Double click on the hue saturation. Move the sliders as per requirements of poster and as per your creativity. Now it looks cool. Now I want to add light behind our planet. I want to show that the planet blocks the sun rays. So first I draw ellipse by using ellipse tool. I draw the ellipse little smaller than the planet. Then click on the effects and select outer glow. You can see ellipse starts glowing. But first I move this ellipse behind the planet. I also off color lookup layer for the moment. Now it is exactly behind the planet. Double click on the outer glow. You can change the opacity, spread and size of glow from here easily. After getting the results as per your requirements, just hit OK. Now I want to remove the glow from one side. So make a layer mask on the ellipse layer and select brush tool and ensure that foreground color must be black. Just simply paint on that part of ellipse which you want to remove. It will disappear magically. Now I again on the color lookup layer. Now I want more light effects in the poster to make it attractive. I add optical flare. You can download optical flare from internet. Just drag the optical flare in Photoshop. Adjust the size of flare as per poster requirement. Then change its blend mode to screen. But the edges of this image are very sharp. To mix the edges with the background, we use mask tool. Select the mask, then select brush tool. Keep in mind the foreground color must be black. Also adjust the size of brush. Just paint on the edges. Hard edges will disappear magically. Now it starts looking a little bit like a poster. I think it looks cool. You can see I make this image from an image of ball by using creativity. When you will use your own creativity, you can design much better poster than this one. Please comment below if you have any query or suggestion regarding this video. Now I do some more work to make it perfect poster. Then I select type tool and type name of any movie. Here I type the last. I use Canberra font. Increase the size. I make a copy of the last. Press and hold Alt or Option key and drag it down to make a copy. I type here the planet. Increase the size of planet. It is my typography style. To make it more attractive, I change it to light family of the Canberra. I also change the font family of the last to bold, but it does not look good. So I choose it to light. It also not looks good. I again change it to regular. Now it looks good. Keep in mind to check the alignment of line. So I drag the guide from ruler. Just click on the ruler and drag the mouse. A guide will appear on the screen. Place it just near the P and align the words properly as you can see on the screen. Also, place the letters as per rule of thirds. Select the crop tool and click on the poster. I will place the letters at the bottom left junction. Letters are little below the junction, so I move them up. Now I type a New Hope line in the capital letters. I change its font to Gotham book. I increase the kerning of letters and decrease the size. Here's a tip. If you want to increase the kerning of letters, then the letters must be in the capital. Here's a tip about typography. Never use more than 2 fonts in one poster. I use only 2 fonts in this poster. Now I make a copy of it and place it at the top of poster. I type Jass Graphics presents at the top with the Gotham book font. Similarly, I do some little adjustments. Now our poster starts looking little bit similar to movie poster. Now I add social media links at the bottom of poster. I place my personal links here. You can add anything else. Now I add credit to poster. I just drag one PNG file of credit. Adjust the size of PNG and change its color to black. Now it looks cool. Here you can see we make this poster from this simple image by using creativity. You can design much better than this. When you will use your own creativity and mind, just try to learn how creatively we can design any poster. Don't try to copy it as it is. If you make any poster after watching this video, post it on Instagram and tag me. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comment section as well as on the Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.